Can you? Questions. Can you? Questions. Osobola gwe. Osobola gwe. So can you in Luganda is osobola gwe. So if they ask you, can you eat? If you want to eat, you say yes, I can. So you copy the can and place it at the end of your answer. Yes, I can. Or no, I can't. Osobola gwe okulya? Ye nsobola. Oba nedda sisobola. Can she swim? Yes, she can. Or no, she can't. Asobola ye okuwuga? Ye asobola. Oba if not, nedda tasobola. Can we pray? If yes, you say yes, we can. Or no, we can't. Tusobola ffe okusaba? If yes, you say ye tusobola. Oba nedda, you say nedda tetusobola.